Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to switch to pageless format in Google Docs. So pageless format basically means you just get rid of these physical page breaks and you just have one continuous document. So this is how you do it. So when you're on your document, you're going to look into the tools bar and we're going to click on format. Scroll down and you should see a tab that says switch to pageless format. So that will switch you over to the pageless format, and now you can see you have one continuous document. Other adjustments you can make are by clicking on view, and you can adjust like the text width to like narrow, medium, wide, or full. So if I click on full, you can see it takes up the whole page here. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.